Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 of how to build a bedroom out of a staircase. In the last part I started to break down the parts of the stairs, the concrete parts, and I finished with the upper stairs. Now the lower stairs, that's about 3 steps left. I will break in small pieces in this video, separate the reinforcement iron from the concrete. Anyway, enjoy this video. I will comment on it and I hope you like it. Follow for more. Comment below if you want me to change something, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Enjoy this and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Like before, I used the Bosch 228 to drill 12 mm holes. I used the Bosch X7 drill for it. It has 4 drilling tips. Actually a solid bore chrome at the front of the drill, so it lasts longer. And I think altogether I managed to get about almost 1000 holes on this drill before the tip broke off due to my own mistake, because I tried to use the drill to lever an iron out of the concrete. And yeah, so you see it took a lot of effort. Yeah, not really effort, let's say it took a lot of time to drill these holes. After all, this video is 60 times faster, so every second which passes here in the video is actually a minute of drilling. So like I did in the video before, I drilled holes next to each other in a distance of about 1 to 1.5 inch between the holes, and in a line according to the reinforcement iron, the rebar, to crack the concrete exactly where the rebar is. In this way I free the rebar and I don't have to do some extra work. Yeah, in between I had to keep sweeping the dust off so that I see something, because yeah, the drill brings out a lot of concrete dust, and yeah, I have to get that by sight. Yeah, still drilling. That's about 200 holes in, and yeah, the machine is still working fine. I never, as I said before, never serviced the machine. And yeah, a little bit more sweeping and cleaning up the place again, and the drilling continues. Each hole goes completely through the concrete, so depending on where I'm drilling is between about 10 inch and 20 inch the depth of the hole to drill. Yeah, always use your ear protection while you're using drilling, stone drilling. The noise is actually not that loud if you make a single hole, but if you keep going it will really affect your ears, sorry. And yeah, that's why I was wearing this protection. It's a class 2 protection. I'll put it in the link, and we'll put the link in below where I got it from. It's lightweight and it really helps a lot. So after I was done with this drilling, I now started to use the demolition hammer to go into those holes and split the concrete in pieces. This is still a time-lapse video of 62 on. As you see, sometimes the chisel gets stuck, then I use the second chisel to free the first one and continue working. And then a little bit more drilling, because I realized the gap between the holes were too big, or the concrete chunks which came out were too big. Since I have to carry them by hand out of the basement, I make them smaller. I rather walk a little bit more often than damaging my back. Yeah, more splitting of concrete with the demolition hammer. It's a really blessing, that machine, the demolition hammer. It goes way faster than if you would use a hand chisel. Yeah, more drilling again. I don't know why, I can't remember why I didn't just drill all at once. Maybe it was too tiring, but yeah, drill more. Or I wasn't expecting that the concrete breaks in that with such big pieces. Yeah, the concrete is way harder than I initially expected. then the bigger blocks which were lying around, I gave a single hole in the middle where the demolition hammer could enter and split it very well, as you can see in this video. And yeah, last few seconds of drilling and a little bit more demolition hammering, and that was it. And all the pieces are down. The rebar is separated from the concrete. And yeah, guys, that was part 5 of demolition the staircase. The next video will be part 6, where I will bring down the concrete platform, which I was fighting with myself how I should really do it so that it doesn't collapse on me or under me when I'm on top of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Not everything went as planned and some accident happened, but that you will see in part 6. Have a wonderful day and thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.